Kemppi has been manufacturing equipment for welders for more than 70 years, and our offering now provides for hand welding, robotic solutions and welding safety. This video introduces Kemppi range of welders' respiratory devices, offering alternative price points, specifications designed to meet different environmental needs. Not all welding respirators are created equally. Welders' respirators are divided into alternative protection classes, dependent on the quality of protection performance provided. Kemppi offer both TH2 and TH3 protection classes, with TH3 protection class being the best protection level available. Safety devices are tested and approved by independent test houses in accordance with market standards. And those strict testing protocols determine the respiratory efficiency and protection level of the device, namely TH2 or TH3. So you'll be asking, what is TH2 and TH3? Well, the TH number defines the ingress leakage level into the breathing zone, combined leakage values from the PAPR, the hose set and the head top itself. TH2 means the device is offering 98% respiratory efficiency, i.e. 2% leakage, and TH3 defines the device excludes 99.8% of airborne contamination, the very best protection level. Before selecting a welder's respirator though, firstly you should complete a local risk assessment and really understand the level and type of contamination within the working environment. And the best way to do that is through an independent air quality measurement service. Then you'll know the type of contamination level you're dealing with, allowing you to select the most appropriate respiratory device for your particular application. Kemppi welders' respirators are divided by product family names: Beta, Delta and Gamma products. And Beta welders' respirators offer 4 alternative packages, including battery-powered filter units and supplied breathing air solutions, plus auto-darkening filters with maximum shade selection value up to shade 15. Delta systems incorporate hard hat head protection. With the Delta Plus system, you also get a full face grinding visor, and this provides excellent protection, including grinding, fettling, and pre and post weld finishing. But also you find that the Beta system also has an impact grade protection lens under the welding system itself, with a 2-stage flip front. Quite useful. And great protection, but it also provides very low-cost consumable items as well. Gamma welders' respirators offer the best TH3 level of protection, i.e. 99.8% efficient in terms of respiratory protection, allowing only 0.2 leakage into the breathing zone. Extremely difficult to reach this standard, very few of these options on the market, and this provides the best level of respiratory protection you can get on the market today. The Gamma product features a number of innovative features, including large grinding visor view areas and also a click lens system where you don't have any lens frames to remove, and you can quickly remove the cover lenses themselves. Auto darkening filters are adjusted via a convenient remote control, and that remote control is housed inside the unit, so it's protected from any knocks and damages, and you can actually adjust the welding filter whilst you're wearing the device, maintaining the excellent level of respiratory protection. Kemppi battery-powered filter units feature fast-charging lithium-ion batteries with a maximum runtime up to 14 hours. And the Gamma XFA model also features twin 70-lumen work lights, excellent for welders and fabricators working in low-light conditions, and powered for long work durations from the PAPR battery itself. Filter stages include particle filters and also gas filters for specific applications, and these combine with the PAPR device, including an option for odour filters if a gas filter is not required. For detailed information on Kemppi safety solutions, please visit our website at www.kemppi.com, where you will find local Kemppi retailers for your country and region. So until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.